Good morning and welcome to today's Autodesk Inventor class. Alright, so for this very object, we'll be producing its working drawing. Yeah, its working drawing that is in 2 dimensions. So it is this working drawing that engineers or designers actually work with to produce the real object in the workshop. Alright, so how do we create the working drawing of this particular object? Remember, I told you you can use Autodesk Inventor to produce part drawing, assembling drawing, and working drawing. So this very drawing on the screen is what is the part drawing. So how do we produce the working drawing of this particular part? Follow me as we do that this morning. So I'm going to open a new tab, then I'm going to come to ISO IDW. All right, after picking that, I'm going to click on create. So this is the working environment for the working drawing. So what do I do now? The first thing is what I'm going to go to the base here. I'm going to click on base. After clicking on base, yeah, so it already brings the object. All right, so had it been this not the object I actually want, so I can actually come here and pick any of the object and pick the object which I've already saved here. For example, now I'm having this, so I produced this earlier, and these are part of my drawings here. All right, so I have this also. This is also part of my drawings. All right, but the one I'm actually working with right now is what is this practice one project. So I'm going to click what open. All right, and that is it on what on the board over there. So after having that here now, so I'm going to decide to go for this particular view as my front view. So if I am actually producing this object in first angle orthographic projection, then in first angle, what comes first is what is my front view. Underneath my front view is my plan, and beside my front view is my what towards the left hand side. I'm having the right hand view, and that is what I'm going to actually do now. All right. Okay, so that's the working drawing of my object. So I can decide to actually increase the scale. Yeah, you can decide to increase the scale. So all right, so it's a little bit better this way. All right, and that is that about that. So how do I include my dimension? So I'm going to click on the annotate command here. I'm going to click on the dimension area. I'm just going to press OK because I'm still going to adjust it. All right, so then for this very one also. All right, so all right, and for this very one, okay, so for this very one, for this very one, okay, so right, so what else? All right, after clicking on styles editor, so you come to the dimension column here, so then you do the adjustment here. This is going to be period, precision is going to be 0, position here also to be 0. Then you go to alternating units. This one is in millimeter, this one is in period. Move to display. So my offset standard technical drawing should be 2 mm. Yeah, the offset. So my arrowhead, this one should be 3 here. All right. Size to be, let's say, 4 mm. All right. So for this to be aligned, okay. So I think we are done. Then we are going to click on save and close. So automatically, can you see? So it's already the changes already are made there. All right. So that is that about creation of working drawing forward for part drawing. Thank you.